how is Mira different from the OPK and the BBT? And the first reason being that Mira detects your full fertile window. So Mira tests the LH, estrogen, and the progesterone hormones, while OPK usually only detects the LH hormone. So LH surge often means your ovulation, but you have few days of fertile window before the ovulation starts, and those days overlap with estrogen surge. And the progesterone surge happens after the ovulation that will confirm the ovulation has happened. If you're trying to conceive or you're trying to manage in PCOS, this will give you extra confidence and clarity. And if you're trying to avoid pregnancy, this will also tell you the best day to have sex. And the Mira is the only home testing product that can test your numerical hormones down to a number, and that has been registered with FDA and C. So this gives you extra clarity into your cycle, into long-term tracking, and this has been tested with hundreds and thousands of patients and users. So this is truly like bringing the laboratory instrument into the comfort of your home. So you will not need to figure out the positive and negative, the one line versus two lines, and by your naked eyes. So there's no more guesswork. Mira is irregular cycle and PCOS friendly. So we know we have many users who suffer from this kind of conditions, and with OPK it's really pretty challenging. And with Mira, since Mira tests your numerical hormones, you can see the actual hormone pattern, the actual hormone curve over long term, so there's no limitation. While the OPK usually set the threshold to decide if you're positive or negative. So if you have something irregular, you may get false positive or false negative. And this problem doesn't exist with Mira because you can see your whole hormone curve, you can see your long-term pattern. So this will actually, on the other side, provide you more insights and find out what's been the hidden block for your TTC journey or TTA journey. So comparing with BBT, there are usually few reasons as well. And the first one being that our ovulation usually happens before the basal body temperature surge. So that means when we detect our basal body temperature, we probably have already missed a few days of fertile window. With hormone testing, you can see your whole fertile window from the day one, so there's no such a risk over there. And the second reason being that basal body temperature is kind of easily affected by the environmental factor. If you're not feeling well, if the environment is pretty hot or cold, and you may end up with a different reading of your measurements. With hormone, it's something more intrinsic, so it's unlikely being affected by the environment.